Can you name these 10 things in the fridge just from their missing letters? Only 1% of people get 9 out of 10 right. First one. Milk. Second one. Eggs. Third one. Butter. If you're 3 for 3 so far, follow me and let's see the smart ones. Fourth one. Cheese. Fifth one. Juice. Sixth one. Yogurt. Before we continue, your phone might be getting spied on. To check, tap the arrow at the very bottom, select more options, and if there's a blue radar app, delete it immediately. Seventh one. Lettuce. Eighth one. Tomato. Ninth one. Chicken. Get ready for the final question. Comment your score below and send this to a friend. Last one. Water.